This entire transformation video was made with AI. No filming, no editing skills, just prompts. And channels uploading these are hitting millions of views in weeks. Here's what this will do. Give you a repeatable system to generate these videos in under 30 minutes. What it won't do, make you a video editor. You're generating, not creating from scratch. If you can copy paste and follow steps, this works. 4 steps. Generate the master prompt system. Create your before, during, after images. Turn images into video clips. Stitch and post. Total time. Around 30 minutes per video once you've done it twice. Step 1. Grab the master prompt. Link in description. This does the heavy lifting. It generates 4 image prompts for your transformation stages, plus 3 video prompts that add motion and realism. Copy it. Paste into ChatGPT. Hit generate. Within seconds, you get the full breakdown. 4 images, 3 video instructions, camera angles, lighting notes, action cues. Notice the detail level. This is what makes the AI actually generate something usable instead of generic junk. Now, we need to turn those prompts into actual images. For this step, I'm using Higgsfield because it lets me generate images and turn them into videos in the same place. No jumping between tools. Sign up takes 10 seconds. Click image, then create image. Set quality to 2K. Aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, or 16:9 if you're doing long-form videos. Model choice matters. Nano Banana Pro gives the most photorealistic outdoor scenes. Seedream is faster but more stylized. I'm going with Nano Banana Pro. Back to ChatGPT. Copy image prompt 1, paste, hit generate. Wait 20-30 seconds. You'll get the first variation. Sometimes there might be errors, so you can just retry and hit generate again. Pick the image that looks most before, messy, neglected, dramatic. Click this reference button. That locks it in as your starting point. Now copy image prompt 2 with the reference from your image 1. This is the work in progress stage. Paste, generate. You should see workers, materials, and mid-transformation chaos. Key thing, the camera angle should stay consistent. Same backyard, same perspective. If the angle shifts too much, just hit generate again. It usually fixes itself. Repeat for image 3 and image 4. For image 2, you're using image 1 as a reference. For image 3, you're using image 2 as a reference, and so on. You should now have 4 images showing clear progression. Abandoned, demolition, construction, finished. Images done. Now we animate them. Click Video. Create video. Higgsfield gives you multiple video models. This is where doing it inside Higgsfield saves time. You can test different models without re-uploading. The 3 that matter for realism: Kling 2.6, VEO 3, and VEO 3.1 Fast. My recommendation is VEO 3.1 Fast. It's fast, handles outdoor motion well, and it's the most realistic model available right now. Duration 8 seconds. Upload image 1. Copy video prompt 1 from ChatGPT. Paste it here. This tells the AI what motion to add. Camera pan, debris falling, wind in the weeds. Make sure to add image 1 to the start frame and image 2 to the end frame. Also, do not forget about the dimensions. Since we went with 9:16 for shorts, we will use that again. In terms of quality, you can choose 1080p or 720p. The amount of credits will be the same. Hit generate. 30-40 seconds later, you get this. As you can see, the video is realistic and it also has sound, which is great. VEO 3.1 Fast works differently from other models. It takes a start frame and an end frame, then generates the transition between them. The best part is that it also provides your videos with sound, which is great. If you're posting on YouTube, use VEO. If you need speed for bulk content, Kling works fine. For clip 2, image 2 to image 3, copy video prompt 2. This adds worker movement, tool motion, construction activity, generate. You get active construction motion. You can clearly see the progression. Clip 3, image 3 to image 4. Video prompt 3 handles the final reveal. Camera pullback, lighting shift, after showcase. Generate, done. Download all 3 clips. Now we have all 3 clips ready to use. It should look something like this. Open any free editor, CapCut, iMovie, whatever. Drop clips in order, no transitions needed. The AI already handled the motion. Add background music, search construction or uplifting in the audio library. Keep it at around 6 dB so it doesn't overpower. Optional, add one text overlay at the start. Something like 30 days of work in 30 seconds or AI backyard transformation. Export at 1080p, 30 FPS minimum. The final result looks like this. Quick note, this exact workflow works for pool restorations, garden makeovers, deck builds, even interior rooms. Just adjust the master prompt to match your theme. Higgsfield has a free tier that gives you enough credits to test this. Paid plans start around 10 to 20 month if you're posting daily. Monetization, yes, these are AI generated, but YouTube allows it as long as you disclose its AI in the description. Check current platform rules before posting. Quick recap, generate master prompt in ChatGPT, create 4 progression images in Higgsfield, turn images into video clips using Veo or Kling, assemble in any editor, add music, post total time, 25 to 30 minutes once you've done it twice. Channels doing this are growing fast because the format is still fresh. The algorithm loves these. If you want to follow along with the exact setup I used, I'll leave the master prompt and Higgsfield link below. If this helped, hit like. It tells YouTube to show this to more people. Subscribe if you want more AI content workflows like this. I post these every week. Drop a comment if you hit any issues. I reply to most of them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.